In this video, I'll be showing you how to enter BIOS on a 60% keyboard. Start by opening the Start menu, then type in System Information. Open the System Information, then find where it says Baseboard Product. This is your motherboard. Search what key you need to press to enter the BIOS for your motherboard. Typically, it'll be Delete or F2. For the Delete key, you will normally need to hold down the FN button and press Backspace. However, you will need to check what it is for your specific keyboard. For F2, hold down the FN button and press the 2 key or the key that says F2 on it. On some 60% keyboards, the F keys will be labeled on the face of the key. However, some will show it on one of the sides of the key. Again, check what key it is for your keyboard. Now, restart your PC. When your computer begins to start back up, hold down the FN button on your keyboard. Then press the required key to load into BIOS mode when the motherboard screen appears. You should see the required key to enter your BIOS on the motherboard screen. If you miss the timing, then you can try again, but once your computer begins to start back up, spam the key instead. If your mouse isn't working, then you'll need to hold down the FN button and use I, J, K, and L as your arrow keys. This only works on some 60% keyboards. Use Enter to select and Escape to go back. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.